This thing is just ripping. It's up 19% right now as I speak, but from yesterday's low, look at this. This thing is up right now from yesterday's low, 86%. Okay, so that's awesome. And everybody that got in when I first started covering this, congratulations. It was down here at 0.008. You're up almost a 2x right now, 180%. So congratulations, good project. Got big things coming. They hit a all-time high today for transactions over here. Beam token up 36% as Merit Circle network transactions hit all-time high. The Avalanche subnet token is climbing. Oops, sorry about that. Climbing back towards its highest price ever. Merit Circle DAO, a gaming-focused crypto group, can't go wrong with gaming, launched its new Beam network on Avalanche in August of 2023. Now the subnet appears to be gaining traction as its Beam token has surged 36% in the past day and 25% in the past week, according to CoinGecko. As of writing, Beam sits at a price of roughly 0.022. Right now we're up at 0.0225, nearing its all-time high price of 0.027 seen on December 14th. The Beam subnet has also seen a spike in total transactions on its network since mid-December, reaching a new all-time high of over 103 transactions on Wednesday, per Avalanche Network data, and over 500,000 total wallet addresses have engaged with Beam's blockchain since its launch. Last month, the team behind the Beam blockchain also added the Polygon-powered immutable ZK EVM blockchain to its list of compatible chains for its Sphere NFT marketplace and broader tech stack offering. Despite seeing price losses Wednesday in the wake of Bitcoin's flash crash, Immutable's IMX token has rebounded roughly 4% in the past day, but is still down 4.6% in the past week. While the Beam token dipped about 9.5% Wednesday, it's already rebounded substantially, outpacing gains seen by the top 20 other gaming cryptos by market cap. Besides Beam, only Merit Circle's governance token and Guild Games token have seen double-digit percentage gains in the gaming space following Wednesday's dip. So, yeah. I think you got a winner here, guys. This thing seems to be doing fantastic. Over here on CoinGecko, 24-hour trading volume, 132 million. All right, market cap is just over $1 billion now. I know that's getting high, but this thing is still ranked number 68th. All right, I believe it. I believe it can get into a top 10. That's my personal opinion. I absolutely believe that. Gaming is huge, and Beam, this thing is a beast. No question about it. You cannot go wrong with gaming. I cannot wait to the bull run to see what this thing does. All right, let's go over here real quick. I want to give a real quick shout out to the members. You guys are the best. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys keep this channel going, and thank you to everybody. And I apologize. This thing is giving me a hard time today scrolling down through here. But we have 63 members now. Thank you very, very much, guys. Any questions, hit me up in Discord, and we'll get them answered. We had a few new members yesterday here. I'll just flip over here. Dylan Higney and LB Crypto. And this one here, ST Jopa. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Bob Stanley, Jamie Paycheck, Rachel, Tom Brown, Matt. Who else we got down here? Where'd I end up off here? Matt. Atolic, Robert Moore. I apologize. This thing is, Robert Morse. I'm sorry, Robert. Enoch. Israel Laura. Yeah, it's giving me a hard time. I apologize. But anyway, we got about 63, and I appreciate it so much, guys. Hit me up in Discord if you have any questions about any trading, anything, okay? I'm over there. I try to get in there at least an hour a day to chat, and just hit me up in there. You guys, if you remember, you have access to my Discord, and noted trader. He's a good one to hit up over there. He's in there quite a bit. Got a few guys over there quite a bit. So, yeah, he's been here a long time. Very intelligent man. Knows a lot. And he's helped me out a lot with this Discord because I'm not real tech savvy with stuff like that. But if you haven't signed up yet, guys, consider a level 3 trading membership. It's only $14.99. You get 8 hours of videos. You get access to the Discord to chat with everybody else about trades. It's worth 15 bucks. Trust me. I wouldn't even say that unless I had total confidence in that. All right, over here's Beam. Look at that, 32.2%. Absolutely awesome. Caspa, that's another one of my favorites. That thing's about ready to blow its top again. And just looking good out here. Everything, nice bounce back. I said that in yesterday's video. All the ones that were down big time, that's the ones you want to buy because the next day they usually bounce hard. You know, if you come over here, these are the coins I cover. But like the reds, you know, usually if they're in the red the day before, now these aren't too bad. But if they're down 18, 20%, the next day, chances are they're going to probably bounce pretty good. I know, where's that Wi-Fi? It was down big time yesterday. It's up 7% there. Let's just see how far it dipped down on the daily. Wow, it didn't even get hit that hard yesterday. That was it. Yesterday right there. Wow. Kind of shocked. But anyway, all right, let's get back to Beam and get on this chart, guys. This thing is ripping. It looks great. All right, it broke through up here. Let's put a Fibonacci on this and see where we're at. Probably getting in near that 702, right through it. Awesome. All right, we have broke through that 702. That's a critical level right there. Up here, the 786 at 0.024. All right, we break that, and we could be heading to a new all-time high. Let's take a look at these RSIs. All right, the daily just heading up, beautiful. All right, it's at a 57 and a 36, looks great. The weekly, don't have a weekly yet. All right, the 12-hour, still bullish at a 100 and an 84. The 8 and the 4 are probably getting high. The 8's at a 189, and you got your 4 at a 99 and a 98. Okay, so they are getting up there a little high. All right, now a pullback would absolutely be normal. Okay, especially after ripping up hard like this, would be very normal. Trying to see if I can get a wave here. Here we go. This wave right here. We'll go with that one first. All right, if we do get a pullback here, that 702 is that green line right there, 702 fib level. The 786 is right here, the last Fibonacci level. Okay, so if we do get a pullback, I would go from the swing low to the swing high here. Look, we already hit a 618 here, so you know, it could keep going. You know, we have run up. It came back, hit a 618 right here. Usually the 618, 702, that's your bounce areas. Now it could come back down here too. It could be doing a ABC pattern here. We'll just have to keep an eye on it. All right, any break higher than right up here, 0.0234, then this thing's going higher. That would take out this high here. Okay, then if we break that 786 up at 0.0240, then we could be heading for a new all-time high. But that daily RSI gives me hope that more than likely we're going to hit a new all-time high this week, especially with that daily RSI looking like how it's looking. You know, we're up through this 702. We're right up in this range now, which is beautiful. That's a great bounce. Let me pull this down a hair. There we go. All right, so yeah, keep an eye on that. Things are looking good with this thing. Could have a small pullback here. The 4 and the 8 hour are getting a little overextended. That would be nothing abnormal. Just a little, you know, like I said, I would keep an eye. And even if you come in, you know, and take it possible, I would go from this wave. This is the wave right here. But even if you come down to this wave, if it's any deeper of a correction with that that 4 and that 8, you know, right down here at 0.19933 is your 618. If it comes down here and bounces, either way, you know, if it pulls back from here, if it fails to break this area again, that 0.02278, If it fails to break that again, then it's probably correcting. Okay, we'll leave this up here for now. But if it does pull back, I wouldn't expect it to go any lower than this 19,459 and bounce. And then if it doesn't start running from here, it's looking great. It's up huge today. So usually when you get a big run up like that, 30-40% move, then you're going to have a 15-20% pullback the next day, more than likely. Okay, it depends here. We got some nice volume, 3.3 billion today, right down there at the bottom. So that's a nice volume spike. We needed that. That's a nice backup for a breakout. You always like to see that. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I will be back with you very soon.